Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, the J3D family. You just saw the first run of our iRobot Braava. It is a wet and dry floor cleaner. The exact model number is M6M6110. We are going to do the unboxing and test it. Testing is in our apartment which has wooden flooring, so we may not be able to cover all the scenarios. It is Wi-Fi enabled and controls through Android or iOS mobile applications. The package includes one bottle of cleaning liquid and 4 disposable mop attachments. The main attraction of this model is its capability to sync with robotic vacuum. If they are paired, the vacuum starts first, then upon completion, the mop starts. Unfortunately, we don't have a robotic vacuum that can be paired. It is nicely packaged. Let us look at the components one by one. This is the robot mop. Here comes the base of robot mop. It goes here to charge automatically. This is a platform attached to the base. It has a warranty and user manual included. This is a camera sensor. We can carry it easily using this handle. This is clean button. This is home, which instruct the robot to go home or base. This target symbol is spot clean. This is another sensor. Maybe it is used to dock to the base. This is a pad ejection button. Currently the mop pad is not connected. If it is there, we can detach it by pressing here. The manual is clear and easy to understand. This is a AC wire to be used between the base and the wall plug. They provide cleaning liquid and recommendation is to buy the liquid from them always. Obvious, isn't it? These are the mopping pads that come with the machine. 2 single-use wet pads and 2 single-use dry pads. We can buy separately the reusable mopping pad. The machine understands whether the pad attached is wet or dry by the patterns in the pad. We don't know what would be the use of dry pads. We are going to use the wet only. Let us start with wet mop pads. It is easy to insert. Let us see how to eject it. As you see, pressing the button, very easy, isn't it? Next step is to fill the liquid. Here is a tank at the top of robot. We can pull the handle to take the tank out. The opening to pour the liquid is at the side of the tank. We can mix water with the liquid. There is a ratio between the cleaning liquid and water. You can look at the manual. Now we are all set from the robot side other than initial charging. In order to charge, let us set up the base. This is the power cord to be connected to the base. It is fairly straightforward. Just follow the path to loop the wire. Once it is connected, place the base at the secure place. Connect the plug to the wall socket. Connecting to the wall socket is missing as I was connecting, not my friend. Then connect the platform to the base. Setup is done. Now start waiting to get it charged. We can see it is charging. 30 minutes after, we are trying to turn it on. Oh, no luck. You may use this time to set up the mobile application and connect the app with the robot. Now let us see how we can install the application into mobile and configure it to connect to the robot cleaner. This is a recording by streaming the mobile screen into my laptop. Unfortunately, the size of the mobile is very low, so you can see the mobile screen in the middle and so much area left out in the sides. Search for iRobot Home in the Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, it will be just App Store. Once we find the application with the proper symbol, install the application. Now let us open the application. First thing, select the country. Then you may need to accept the terms and conditions. One thing skipped here is the creation of credential in the website. We need to create an account and log in into the application, track our robot. Hereafter, all the activities are done in the application after the login process. Now add a robot. It has multiple options. This is one single application to use for different types of devices. Their mopping device as well as their vacuums. Select your model. It requires the location permission. The app is almost self-explanatory. It is obvious that we need to place the mop in a place where the Wi-Fi is available because it connects to Wi-Fi. Now giving a name to the robot. Now it is time to connect to the Wi-Fi. We can enter the Wi-Fi password in the app itself. The detection of the device to the app is automatic. Now it is asking to press on the device so that it knows it is the same person who is using the app and the device. So they take an assumption that the robot will be in our possession. We will hear a sound when the connection has established properly, as mentioned in this screen. It may take some time to get connected. This connection process is for a demo purpose only. Time to time, they may improve their application and the connection process may differ. Also, the mobile application interface may also be different to have more innovative ideas included. Now we got the clean button in the home screen. It is already 1.5 hours after it started charging. Now the mobile app is ready. We set up using my Android phone. The interface is simple. There is a clean button to start mopping. It is coming out of the base. That's good. Here onwards, we will be covering different areas in our apartment. We can see how the robot mop is navigating different terrains. Before we start the demo, we would like to tell you that we don't have any affiliation to iRobot company. Also, this video is not sponsored by them. This is just an independent review of iRobot Braava EM6 model. This is a dark area with a Christmas tree. The tree has 4 legs. The legs are horizontal, making it somewhat a different terrain to navigate. It seems it is managing to navigate. Also, the light is very low here, still it is able to navigate. This is a test of dark area under the sofa. It doesn't get confused, instead it is navigating. This is good. We can start the mopping at night and it can just continue when we are sleeping. The voice is very low. If we close the doors, it will not be entering to our bedrooms. It seems the sensor is not light dependent. It may be using infrared or some other technology to do the sensing. Here is a manual divider we set up. Once the map is built by robot, we can restrict the area by selecting its map. No manual dividers will be required. Oh, it is going back to the base. It didn't even complete one room. Why it is going back? Oh, no, it is not going back to the home. It started working again. Let us test how this can work with carpets. This carpet is not that thick as simple quarter-inch carpet. It is trying to get into the carpet, but it is not able to. But good part is like it is not stuck. It came down and continued its working. This time it is facing against the carpet. It identifies as obstacles and avoiding it. That's good. We don't want to damage our carpet. Now Johan has lifted the carpet. It's kind of marked that area and not proceeding further. Good, it works with carpet. Even if we start it in the night, it may not get stuck in carpet and cry for help. Repeating the same test of lifting carpet. Oh, this time it advanced. Not able to reverse engineer their algorithm. It's very tough. It is cleaning other narrow area with different type of obstacles. An office chair. Looks like it's coming out from that area. It is confused, not knowing where to clean next. Finally, it is going to the carpet area. Dude, that area seems cleaned already. Just trying to send home, pressing the home button. It seems not accepting the command immediately. It is trying to home, it seems. The difference this time is that the road it came out has obstacles. The carpet has moved there. Oh, it is going some other place. Maybe it is trying to find another route to home. It uses the base location than the route it came out. Whoa, it is going to clean the places where it left previous cycle. This is the other area with a Christmas tree with the 4 legs, which is a difficult place. Go home, buddy. Finally, it is getting home. Look at the way how it is going home. It's really interesting to watch how it is finding the base and going into that platform. Once it latches to the platform, the charging starts. The kitchen is separated with a wooden bar as you are seeing. Let us see how a new obstacle is handled. It tried hard but not able to succeed. Here is another attempt. It is like half-inch or quarter-inch thick the wooden slab. The better way is to manually place it inside the kitchen and start. The interesting thing what we observed in this model is when it finds an obstacle, it will try to go around that obstacle. It starts slowly and it will circulate that object. At that time, it will not spray any water, any cleaning liquid. It will just go around it. Another area cleaning near the office chair. It has angled area. It is doing okay there. Here it is inside a toy which moves when the robot pushes. It is trying to get out through the opposite side, but there is a door and it is locked. No way to come out through that path. Let us see how it navigates this place. As a software engineer, I am really interested in reverse engineering their algorithm. It seems the algorithm they use is smart. It is coming out from a complex environment. It took a long time to come out by pushing the toy. The mopping completed. The floor is not super clean. That's understood. This is a first clean. First time running, this may not give the professional cleaning result. Let us see how much dirt it picked up. We can easily lift it and press the button to eject the mop. It is lifting better, isn't it? Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video and would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Also click on the bell button for getting the notifications. In case of any comments or suggestions about how we took the videos, please add into the comment box. Thanks. Bye.